Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some almond shaped full coverage nail tips here. And so I have applied one coat of Madam Glam's base coat and cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And Madam Glam polishes are 21 free, HEMA free, cruelty free, vegan, um, and cruelty free. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this application. So I have two colors here, Blue Jay and Food Coma. These are two colors that I did purchase with my VIP credits because I am a VIP member with Madam Glam. So we're going to go ahead and get into this application, and I will apply 2 coats of color to each nail, curing for 60 seconds in my LED lamp in between each coat. And so 2 nails I'm going to paint with the color Food Coma. And after I did this mani and put these nails on, it was giving me long time ago, if you grew up in the 80s, they may still have them now, but you know how the little kids have the little fake nails, and they're not, you can't put the nails on with glue, you just kind of, they're circular, so you just put them on top of you just like insert your finger in there and you wear them like around the house or whatever. This is the vibes that it was giving me just because of that neutral color. I think with my skin complexion, it was just a little too light, but I like the color though. I like the neutral color, but it was just too light for me, at least my opinion. So on my thumbnail, which will be my thumbnail, I am going to do an ombre, so I applied Blue Jay on half of the nail and then Food Coma on the other half. And I'm going in with my Madam Glam's ombre brush, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of base gel on there just to make it easier to glide through all of the colors. And so I'm starting with the lighter color, and I'm going to blend in into the blue all the way down now. Just that easy. And so I noticed on the sides it was a little gappy, so I'm just taking that brush and kind of filling that in, and I will do that twice. Again, each nail has 2 coats of color. And so now I'm going in with the second coat of color, and again, these are nicely pigmented, and I used to have a discount code with Madam Glam. I'm not sure if it's still active or not, but I will have that information in the description box below. And so I'm trying to save my credits for Black Friday, but they've been having some nice colors that have come out, and I do want to purchase those with my VIP credits. And pretty much with the VIP program, you pay $29 a month, you get a $29 credit. You don't have to make a purchase. The purchase is the $29 fee for the VIP membership program. It gives you access to free shipping and early access to their color lines that they launch every month. And if you don't use it, it just builds up kind of like a savings account for your gel polish purchases or products that you wish to purchase from Madam Glam. So you know, I just let mine build up. But anyway, I digress. And so I'm just applying that. The polish is applied smoothly. Again, as I mentioned, they're nicely pigmented, no problems whatsoever. And then on the thumbnail, I'm just going in and applying the second coat of color to repeat that ombre process. Now with the second go round, I did not apply and I was about to mess up. I did not apply base to the brush. I just kind of started in the middle and blended. And so once I did all that and I cured all of the nails, I do go in and apply Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat and Cure. And that's just because I'm going to go in and do some nail stamping. And so, oh, I'm tripping. Before I did that, I did do a French on what will be the middle finger and the ring finger. I did it to the best of my ability. I'm not that great with drawing, but I think I did a pretty good job. They kind of reminded me of crayons once I was done, for whatever reason. So I'm just applying the painting the line, and then I will fill it in with the actual polish from the brush bottle, or the polish from the bottle. I'll apply that top part with the actual brush. And so yeah, I do that on both of the nails. I think I only recorded one, and I only did 1 coat of color for the French tip nails. So here are the nails after I cured and then applied the Velvet Matte Top Coat and cured as well. And you don't have to do this. You can wipe the nails off with alcohol if you're going to go in and do some nail stamping. And so I have this plate from Moyra Fabric Textures 2, and I'm going to go in and use that houndstooth pattern. And so with the stamping, this stamping plate, I will also be using Bam White from Maniology, which of course is a white stamping polish. And then I will be applying that image to all of the nails. And for the nails with the French tip, once I apply that, I'm going to go in with a cleanup brush and some acetone and clean the line up, because I don't want that pattern to be on the nail that has the food coma, which is the neutral color on there. And so as usual, I'm just applying the polish to the plate, scraping, picking up, applying it on the nail. The reason why I have gloves on, you can see that part of that image did transfer onto my gloves, and I didn't want all that on my actual skin, and then I have to clean it off, and then it get extra ashy and dry, and ain't nobody got time for that. So again, I'm just applying that image to all of the nails. And after I finished, I realized that, man, I didn't get some of the image on the side of the nail like I wanted to. And I was like, uh-oh, but it was too late. I wasn't getting ready to take it off and put it back on for certain. After that, I had already cleaned up my workstation and put the products away and all that stuff. So I was like, oh well. So after I got all of the nails, they dried, I did go on with Maniology's smudge-free top coat and applied that to the nails. And then I'm going in and applying Madame Glam's. I let the smudge-free top coat dry, because lately, or in my previous videos, when I've done nail stamping and then applied gel base, it smeared the image. And so the best route to take here, go in with the smudge-free top coat, let that dry, and then let it dry thoroughly, and then you can go in with your gel base or your gel top coat. And yes, you can do this as long as you let the polish dry thoroughly. And so once I get all the nails top coated, I'm going to pop them in my lamp and give them a cure. And then I'm going to go in with some pale blue crystals or rhinestones and some pearl gems as well. And so coming up, I'm going to just briefly show the baby blue pearl rhinestone and pearl gems and rhinestones. And I'm going to use, is it Macart? I forgot what I used. Yeah, Macart rhinestone glue gel, and I'm applying it to the area just where I'm going to apply the gems, and then I'm going to pop those in my lamp and give those a cure. And so since then I have applied like a really thin layer of builder gel on my nails, on both of the nails. I took all of the product off my left hand, there was nothing on my right hand, and I've applied a very thin layer just because when my nails got a certain length, they broke off. And so I'm going to pop these on my nail with sticky tabs on top of the builder gel. It wasn't too gappy. I could tell on one, I think my thumbnail, it had a little gap in it, but I wasn't keeping them on. I was just putting them on for video purposes. But anyway, I wish I would have ombre'd all these nails, by the way, and then put the image on top. This was giving me every bit of Clueless, like if you watch Bel-Air, what Hillary wears, those plaids and tweeds, it was giving me those vibes. Or you could say Wizard of Oz with Dorothy's dress. But anyway, here are the nails. And so like I said, you can just I'm popping these on top of my builder gel with sticky tabs. And so coming up are the nails actually on. And so you'll see what I'm talking about with the actual color of that food coma against my skin tone. It wasn't too bad. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time. Thank you.